Welcome back everyone to your favorite melt and pour soap maker on YouTube. Today I'm doing a very quick video just on how to add clays to soap. I see a lot of questions how to properly do that, and it's really simple. You can add clay to any melt and pour soap. You basically just need two ingredients. The first ingredient would be any clay that you want to use, and the second would be glycerin is the best thing you can use, but if you don't have glycerin, you can also use rubbing alcohol as a substitute. You're just probably going to need less of the rubbing alcohol. I like to do my glycerin and put about an equal ratio, so I would do maybe 1 tablespoon of the French green clay with 1 tablespoon of the glycerin, and then mix that into like a paste slurry before I add it to my soap. So when you do that, it will help suspend the clay in the soap, and it won't leave it clumpy, and you won't get those little pockets of like clay that haven't been fully incorporated or mixed up. So it makes it really nice. If you've ever tried to do this, you probably know what I'm talking about just from, experimenting with it yourself. So this will give you a nice smooth look across your bar, and you won't have to worry about any clumping. Another quick tip I want to add is if you soap at a very cool temperature, it does help suspend the clays as well. So each soap base that you use is going to have a different melting point, so you probably want to look at your melting point too when you're doing something like this. If you guys like these little short videos, or if you learned something today, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and for this video, just leave me a comment on what your favorite type of clay is to incorporate into your melt and pour soaps. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.